How to use ChatGPT for business ideas. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use ChatGPT for business idea. In order to use ChatGPT for business idea, you should move beyond the generic request and instead use a collaborative partner to identify a market gap, validate concept, and build a strategic roadmap. So what you want to do is launch Open ChatGPT app onto your device, and instead of asking for business ideas, you want to provide ChatGPT with a specific content about your skills, interest, and target audience to generate tailored opportunities. Basically, you could go with a gap analysis. So prompt ChatGPT to analyze current inefficiencies in a specific industries, like identifying three major points for small organic farms, such as that. Describe your professional background and ask for a low budget startup ideas that leverage those specific skills as well. And ask for the AI to cross reference emerging technologies like blockchain or synthetic biology with the traditional industries to find disruptions or opportunity as well. Once you have an idea, use ChatGPT to act as a second business expert to stress test it. You could market analyze competitive intelligence requires a breakdown of your topic, 2 to 3 direct competitor, focusing on their weakness and how you can differentiate. Revenue models, you could prompt ChatGPT to suggest multiple monetization strategies for your ideas, such as subscription, freemium models, or direct sale as well. So with that, we've come to an end. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.